What is the benefit of automation for doing outbound calls? Why do it? Well, there are two parts to actually doing outbound calls. First, actually making the calls happen. And second, processing the data, i.e. preparing call lists with metadata and then post-processing after the calls are done. Both of these things cost most companies way more than they need to. In fact, millions of dollars or euros are wasted. Here's why. When placing outbound calls, the average number of attempts to connect to a caller is over 7. That's the average. Each attempt requires a bunch of steps on the part of the agent. Doing even some of these manually is just a pure waste of a skilled person's time. Data shows that per call that you actually connect to an end user, you will waste 35 to 90 seconds of agent time on all the extraneous things. At anything over 100,000 calls per month, this amounts to between 0.5 million and multiple million euros annually just in these completely avoidable costs. We have not even got to the lost revenue and other damage done to your business. I'll come back to that. But let's talk about the second part, the data processing first. Every call attempt has to get onto a list. The data has to be cleaned. You need to prioritize call entries with a rank or score. You need to change the priorities in real time for callbacks or more urgent calls that come in during the day. You need to post-process the attempts that were made and the calls that did take place and use all that data to steer the list for the next minutes or next hour or next day. The pure avoidable cost of this part is less than for the agent time, since it involves only the work of a few admins and some investment in your tooling or code, but the cost in terms of lost revenue and lost lifetime value of customers is huge. Why? Because you will be slow to get back to the right people, you will not make calls to the important leads or customers fast enough, or worst of all, you won't call them at all. The data shows that this lost revenue and impact on the business is even greater than the avoidable cost in lost agent or administrator time, usually amounting to multiple millions of euros or dollars on its own, and that's per 20 agents or so. Right? So it really makes huge impact to your bottom line. Our approach to this is to give you the ability to solve both parts completely, essentially giving you a toolkit to create the algorithms and automations you need. You can drive incredible value for your business by rethinking and remaking your outbound calls and callback processes. I'd love to talk to you about your lists, your outbound calls, how they integrate with your other data sources. Message me. We can explore the possibilities together. Just want to remind everybody, this is 1 out of 6 of our main use cases we help customers with. Check out the other ones as well. There's video and other material on each one. So please do DM me, ping me. I'd really love to talk through what you'd like to optimize.